So you want to create a landing page, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a landing page. So at the end of this video, you're going to know how to create a landing page. You know how to link your product to your Google Drive and link your YouTube videos to your page. So welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your boy Vixie, and if you're new to the channel, I basically talk about making money online and tools that will make your business way easy and faster on my channel. So if you're interested in topics like that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a video, YouTube is going to notify you guys. So first things first, click on the first link that's going to be on the description of this video so that you can follow me exactly step by step as I show you guys how to create a landing page using systemi.io. So when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this part. So what you're going to do now, first of all, is to come here and then you're just going to do create accounts. Then you put your Gmail here and then you do create get free accounts. So you make sure you activate your account by going to your Gmail and then getting your activation link and then you click on it. So yeah, this is my account. You can see this way you're going to get your leads and your sales. And so if you want to create a funnel, you can see it, and there are so many things you can do with systemi.io. There's so many things. There are blogs you can write, you can do automation, product selling, you can sell your products here, so many things, and contact us, dashboard, to see your affiliate dashboard and everything. But here we're going to create funnel. So what we're going to do is click on funnel, and you can see for the free version, I guess you can create 3 funnels, right? Yeah, probably. So yeah, there are so many funnels I've been creating. So let me delete this one and create a new funnel entirely for you guys. So confirm, delete, and deactivate this. And what we're gonna do now is yeah, create. You click on that create, and then we're gonna now put the name of the funnel that we are creating. Let's say, okay, we want to create a funnel for ebook. Let's say for our ebook. Let's go to ebook, and then we come down and then let's say build an audience. That's what you're going to click because we are not selling products. Yeah, we're building an audience. So we just will create. You click on create and it brings you to this page where you are going to start where you can select a template that you could use for your landing page. So let's look for a good template that we could use for our ebook landing page. Let's go with this, guys. Let's go with this. Let's preview it and then let's go with it. So you see how, yeah, this is very cool. I like this. It's very cool. So let's go with this. Let's cancel the preview and then you just click on select. You select it. So you can see here is where if you want to view the step, here is where you want to edit it. So this is what we're going to click. We're going to click on edit to edit the landing page to our own test. Yeah, so yeah, this is the portion where you have to edit it, and these are all the controls you have when editing it. So, yeah, so let's start editing it. So you can click on this to see the whole thing, to see your whole work, and then here too you click on this to bring it back when you want to edit. And if you want to see it on phone mode, mobile mode, you can just come here where it says computer and then mobile. You click on the mobile mode, then it's gonna now show you how it's going to be displayed in the mobile. So let's try to work with it with mobile and see how everything is going to be. So what we're going to do first is going to delete this. We don't want this, at least not my logo, so I'm deleting it. Okay, yeah, you delete this section basically. Yeah, this whole section, you hover over it and then you go to that dustbin and then you delete it. So yes, so create sparking with us. So let's just change this. Let's change this and then we're just gonna write something, a heading. So let's say, okay, we want to make this capital letter. What we're gonna do is just yep, let's highlight this and just make it, yeah, free, yeah, secrets to making. So let's say we want to make this free red mode. So let's go to the system mode and come over here. Yeah, so this way we have it basically. So you click on this color here, this black, and we're just going to select red, and you can see, let's select, so you can see, Okay, so here is where we're gonna now put in everything. Let's say okay, details. So yep, this is how you do it. So here you just click on get started. So let's go to here. This is the buttons, guys. This is the buttons where you're going to redirect them to where your ebook is. So what we're going to do with this button here is simply we come here. When you click on the button, it's going to give you the access to edit it. So you click on it, and you see here when you scroll here, it gives you access to edit the button. So we want to redirect people, anyone that clicks on this button, to where he's going to get the ebook, or yeah, the free ebook. So let's say URL, and this is the URL. So this is the URL where we're going to put the ebook. So for instance, let's say guys, you want to put the ebook somewhere, or maybe it's in your website or on Google Drive, because that's what I use most of the times. So let's say you go to Google Drive. You can upload the ebook by just creating a new, and then you come here and then upload file, and then you navigate where your ebook is, and then you just click on it and you open, and it's going to appear somewhere here. So let's say this is the ebook that you want to get the link for. So all you have to do is just to right click on it. You right click on it and you get link for this particular ebook. Say the viewers, anyone with the link, yes, you make sure it's in anyone with the link, and you can just copy the link here. So the link has been copied. So you go back to your system.io, and then here you're going to paste the link. So you're going to paste the link here. Yep, the link you've copied, you're going to paste it. So anyone that clicks on this link is going to take them to the ebook where they can get it for free. So that is it. You just click outside, and then okay, here is where you're going to put where you're going to redirect them to. So you just say they don't put same window, otherwise it's going to reload them in your same window, and it's going to, your landing page is going to disappear. So you're going to redirect them to a new window here. Make sure you do that. And yes, you can edit the button to the text you want here with affiliate. So if you want to, let's say, add images or pictures, you could actually do that by coming here. Let's say we want to add an image here in the middle of this place. All we're going to do is come down here and then bring this image and then drop it here, and you see there's an image here. So all you have to do is click on the image. You click on it, then you come here where it says upload image here, this image file. You click on it here, and then you drag your image and put it here, or you select your image. But I've put a lot of image. I've uploaded image here. So these are my images that I used so far to create some landing pages that I used. So let's say this PayPal is what I want to put here, and then you just click on it, bring it down, and then you click insert. You can see, so we've inserted this PayPal picture here, and you can also do that for videos too as well. So when you want to upload videos here, it's highly recommended that you upload videos. And mind you, if you click on the video, it's going to upload down. You upload videos that it's on YouTube, so you have to upload the video on YouTube first before you now get the URL for the video. Let's say okay, you click on the video, so the URL for the video is where you're going to put here. Let's say if you go to YouTube and you want to upload a particular video, this is what you do. Guys, I'm giving you enough value in this video, so I want you guys to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell if you don't mind. It's really going to help me. So let's say okay, you want to use this video, let's just use a random video. So all you have to do now is to get the link of this video here. Share. You come to share, you get the link, and then you copy the link here from here, and you take it back to system.io, and then you paste the link here. You paste it here, paste, and automatically that video comes here. You can see the village morning here. So you can do a lot of things here. You delete all of this that you don't want, all of this place, all of this you delete everything here that you don't want. If you don't want anything here, you just hover above them and delete it. It's quite easy to use system.io. That's why I like system.io. It's very simple to use, and if you follow exactly how I've told you how to use it, you're not going to get problem. You're going to use it smoothly. So let's just delete everything. And let's preview this. So if you want to preview this, let's do this. So you click on this eye and then it's gonna preview. So this is what we've created so far. So if you put your Gmail here and then you click on get started, it's gonna take you to the Google Drive that we put our ebook. You can see, so you have access to the ebook. You can see it has redirected you to where you can get the ebook, how we created the landing page. And let's go back, and when you come down here you could play the video that we have uploaded so far. So this is basically how you could create your own powerful landing pages, and it's just it's very easy to do, guys. It's very easy to do. There is no magic in it. And if you want me to create another powerful video about landing pages, you could comment down in the comment section. And if you have any questions about systemi.io, I could attend to you. So we agree with this. We want this. So what we're going to do is now save changes, and we're now going to click on exit here. So here is where we're going to get our link to send to people. So when we copy this link, this is the main link that we're going to send to people, to traffic. So when we come to this plus and we paste this link here, and this is the official link for the website that we've just created, or the landing page that we've just created. So you can see it here. Anyone that I send this link to can get access to this landing page that we have created. So I'm going to deactivate this, and yeah. So guys, that is it for it. So create your powerful landing page with systemi.io, and peace. See you guys.